Apparently, what causes the pendulums to stop and start is the top horizontal line moves, and as it moves it adds and subtracts energy from the pendulum swing. To make it clearer, I've added a small card and a static line above, so it's more obvious to see this movement. If you can imagine pushing a child on a playground swing, if you push as they go away from you, you will accelerate them and they will swing higher and higher. But if you apply pressure as they come towards you, you will gradually slow down the rate of swing. This is exactly what's happening with the blue line. But what fascinates me is as they swing at slightly different frequencies, the first one causes the second one to swing, spends all its energy achieving this, though the second one is now swinging the faster. Its phase of swing overtakes the first and causes it to decelerate until the first one stops, and this phenomenon swaps backwards and forwards. As if this isn't already complicated enough, I have now introduced a third weight, and the third pendulum has a slightly shorter string, so it swings at a slightly different frequency. The fascinating part is that it will pair first with one, matching its frequency, and then pair with the other. And this keeps alternating backwards and forwards. Now, I think I'd better give up thinking about this because my brain begins to ache. More silly things can be found on my website at www.crazydave.webs.com, and some slightly more sensible things can be found at www.crazydave.webs.com/firetrace-videos.